Hey guys, in this video I'm going to go over sales funnels for affiliate marketing done correctly. Hey, my name's Gord. Welcome to another video. If this is your first time here and you want to learn how to succeed in affiliate marketing, start now by subscribing and clicking the bell so you don't miss anything. Okay, so what we're going to do today is just have a look at sales funnels for affiliate marketers. Now, this is covered a lot over YouTube. A lot of the times it's done wrong, and a lot of the times when people sign up to some kind of make money affiliate scheme, what they'll do is they'll get a really nice sales funnel from whoever it might be, and they try and promote that. Now, the problem with that is you're not putting your own face, your own story to that product. So if you could imagine if you were scrolling through Facebook and an advert pops up in front of you and it's for a 30-day weight loss program. Now, if that says something about 30-day weight loss, click the link, you may or you may not click that link. More likely people don't click that link. Now imagine if that advert came up and instead of it just being a generic picture and a link to a weight loss, it was a picture of you 30 days before you started the weight training or weight loss program and 30 days after. And you put a little story about how this product worked for you. So you've actually got experience of the product and you've tested the product. Now, what you would then do from there is when somebody does click on the link on the Facebook ad, instead of it going to that generic landing page or sales funnel that you're given from the supplier of the program you're trying to promote, you have your own very own landing page, capture page, so that you can have your face on that page and capture that person's email. You then, from there, when they fill that in, it would take them to a bridge page where again it would be you with a short video, and on that video you might just explain some of the benefits of the weight loss program that you're promoting. Then from there, if they like it, there'll be a link on that page to take them to the product. Now this is a much better way of promoting affiliate products as opposed to just using a generic sales funnel which is created by the supplier. So what we're going to do today is I'm going to actually walk you through that a little bit so you can see what that looks like. So we're going to jump into the computer and we'll make a start. Okay, so here we are in the iPad and we're using a program called Sketch.io. So the first thing we know is that traffic is the most important thing if you want to succeed in affiliate marketing. So that traffic can come from various places such as YouTube, like this, Facebook ads, Google ads, solo ads, Instagram. Doesn't really matter where the traffic comes from. It's advisable that you try and pick a few different traffic sources and try and master them. So I would advise that you would try and do one free source and one paid source. We're not going to go into that today, but the whole process that I'm showing you now would work and does work over either free or paid traffic. So we know that we need traffic. What you need to do is drive traffic first to an opt-in page. Opt-in. Sorry, that looks like a 14, but that's opt-in. So we're not going into how you drive that traffic today. We can cover that in another video, but today we're just talking about what happens once you drive the traffic. driving traffic's pretty much the hardest part of this whole business. And once you get traffic there, you want to make sure that you utilize it and make sure that you're getting the best out of that traffic. And you do that through a really well set up sales funnel. So the first thing we do is you drive the traffic to this opt-in page. Now I'm going to show you what an opt-in page looks like now. This is my opt-in page. So here we are on my opt-in page. As you can see, it's very clean and simple. There's a photograph of me here, which helps with congruency. The traffic will have come through either seeing a photograph of me on a Google ad, or either through Instagram, where my photos are everywhere, or through YouTube, where people see me on video. So as soon as they come through, they'll see me again here. So that makes sense to them. Now I'm generally promoting my online business. So as you can see from my title, it's nice and clean. I'm not going to go through all this, but how to start a profitable online business, what's inside. Yes, I want instant access. So if they decide they want to go for it, they click on here. They would then put the email in here and then click give me access. If click give me access, what would then happen is that would then take them to the next page, which would be a bridge page. Let me draw this. Excuse my poor writing. It's quite difficult to write with your finger. So once they've opted in, they will be taken to this bridge page, which I'm going to show you that now, which is my own bridge page. So here we are on my bridge page. This is what they come through to after they've opted in. So as you can see on here, you can see in the top corner that I promote Legendary Marketer, but the bridge page essentially is a little bit more information, and the first thing they're going to see is another video from me. So do you see where I'm going with this? The congruency throughout the advertising is my face all the way through. So I'm building brand. People are starting to recognize me and starting to trust me. So this is a short 5-minute video about what I'm selling or what I'm doing or whatever you need to put in there. So as you can see here, a little bit of stuff about it and a little bit of my story. So it's very important to have this bridge page because it builds trust. We're warming the audience very slowly. Once they've watched that, they can now click on the Start Now to go through to the next page. So you've seen the bridge page now. That was the short video of me. From there, once they click the green button, they would then be taken to the last page, which is the sales page. Now, this is not my page. This is not my funnel. This is directing to the link of the actual producer of the product. So if you were doing a weight loss challenge or whatever, it would be to their product. So as you can see, we've got a few steps before you actually put them to the product. This is why so many people fail, is they're promoting this here. So they're going traffic to here, and then they're wondering why they're not getting any sales. They're also missing out on the opportunity for all of these emails. If you take your traffic straight to your sales page, you're giving the emails all to whoever's product you're promoting. So I'll just go over that again. We go, traffic goes to your opt-in page. From here, they will fill in their details to opt in, take them to a bridge page, which again is you talking, and then you send them to the sales page. Now what you've done here is warmed up your audience. Now the chances are they're not going to even buy this product yet, because even though you may have warmed them up a little bit, it still doesn't mean that they've got that much trust in you. They may trust you a little bit more, but maybe not enough, especially if it's a high ticket sales item. They're still not going to buy it straight away. This is what this page here is for, the opt-in. So at this opt-in page, that's when you put them into your autoresponder. I can't fit that in, but you get what I'm saying. So this would go into your autoresponder, so GetResponse or MailChimp, that kind of program. And from here, you would create your emails to go out to them. So I've got around about 35 ready done emails that go out every day to anybody who gets to this point. They don't even need to get to here or to here. So once they get to here, I can keep on sending them emails, giving them value. So you're not always asking them to look at this sale page. You want to give them plenty of value, give them stories, show them other things about yourself, do whatever you can. Or as many of you heard of Gary Vee, he says jab, 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 then hook. So that might be story, info, and then hook before you send them to the sales page. So maybe every fourth email you'd send them to a sales page. So this is why it's vitally important to have this kind of sales funnel in place. And I must stress as well that it needs to be branded by yourself. So your traffic, whether it be a Google ad, a Facebook ad, or YouTube, they need to see you. Your opt-in page, they need to see you. Your bridge page, they need to see you. And then you can send them to the sales page. So remember, if they don't buy here, as you're sending them emails, they'll have you in your mind from all these 3 points of contact. And that's pretty much how to do it. And the more traffic you send, the more people that'll come through your sales funnel and keep coming around. You build your list and sales will start to come. So that's it for today. Okay, thanks, and we'll see you again another time.